What's up, Xiaomi fans? Today we're gonna unbox the Mi 10T Pro. Let's go! Welcome back to All About Me. Let's quickly unbox this phone. Opening the box, you'll be greeted with the print designed by Xiaomi. This is the box that holds some of the accessories like the SIM ejector pin, the user manuals, the adapter Type-C to 3.5mm jack, and also the antibacterial free case. And below that we have the phone itself, the Mi 10T Pro wrapped in its temporary plastic, which we're gonna check out and test later. And underneath you'll have the charging cable as well as the 33 watts fast charger. The Mi 10T Pro comes with three colors. We have the Aurora Blue, Lunar Silver, and this is the Cosmic Black. It's quite shiny, quite reflective, but it looks awesome. The back is a Corning Gorilla Glass 5, and you can see the camera panel over there, which houses the main 108 megapixel camera. And at the bottom you'll find the SIM tray, charging port, the microphone, and the speaker. And at the top there's the secondary speaker, IR blaster, and the microphone. And on the side you'll have the volume buttons as well as the power and also the fingerprint sensor. The front glass is also Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and it is pre-installed with the antibacterial screen protector. It has a 6.67 inches IPS LCD dot display with a high resolution 20:9 aspect ratio, 395 ppi. It has a high refresh rate of 144 Hz, ultra smooth display. And you'll never be disappointed with its performance. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 with 7nm power efficient manufacturing process. And out from the box is already pre-installed with the MIUI 12, and I just got an update. And also for its Android version, it is Android 10. And I couldn't resist. I took it out, take some test photos, see how's the quality of this 108 megapixel camera. And we have pretty impressive pictures. It's slightly oversaturated, especially in the green part, but the pictures are stunning. And this is a sample video, an 8K video, 24 frames per second, and I scaled it down to a full HD. So I tested my SIM card. This has a X55 modem for lightning fast 5G connectivity. It supports dual nano SIM, but there's no slot for SD cards. Alright, so the speed test result is awesome. And there's a massive 5000 milliamperes battery in this phone with a 33 watts wired fast charge capability. And inside the box you'll get a 33 watts fast charger as well. And the side mounted fingerprint sensor is super fast, and so far it didn't fail me while shooting this video. And if you find it super reflective, you can use the antibacterial case that comes in the box, or you can use or get the Xiaomi case, which is pretty dope. And I'll be doing a full review, in-depth review for this phone. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification icon so you get notified once I upload a new video, and I'll see you on the next video.